So there is one ambiguity. क्या हो? If we consider a area element, then what direction we can take? See, we have two options. Let us consider that again. This is a plane. Okay, so we can take one direction which is upward, and second direction is downward. So there are two directions. So question is which direction we should take along the field lines. So for that the convention is there. If we consider a closed surface, okay, then the vector associated with every area element of a closed surface is taken to be in the direction of the outward normal. Okay, outward normal. So you can consider that this is outward normal, it is going away, and that is how I'll select this direction. Okay, now let us talk about electric flux. Okay, so we have already discussed a bit about the flux, and now first thing is its symbol is phi. यहाँ पे डेल्टा इसलिए है बिकॉज वी हैव कंसिडर्ड अ स्मॉल एरिया एलिमेंट डेल्टा एस ओवर हियर एंड दैट इज हाउ वी हैव प्लेस्ड डेल्टा. अदरवाइज द symbol for the flux is phi. So delta phi can be given as vector E dot vector delta S. Okay, so if I want to put it in normal product, then it will be like E delta S cos theta. Now you can see this equation in two different ways. One is कि आप E को अकेला रख दो and rest of the thing is, let us say, delta S cos theta. So how we can put this thing in a statement? So it is E times the projection of the area normal to E, right? Delta S cos theta is what? It is a projection of the area element. It is a projection of the area element normal to the E, right? And I can write this also E, and then after delta S normal or perpendicular, right? If we consider it another way, right, then आप E cos theta को साथ में रख दो ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन में, एंड डेल्टा S है, सो यू लीव इट alone. ओके, तो अभी E cos theta is what? So that is component of E along the normal to the area element. Okay, component of E along the normal to the area element times, so times the magnitude of the area element. So these are the two different ways through which you can describe the flux. If we talk about the unit of electric flux, then as we know, electric field is to be denoted, uska jo unit hai, that is Newton per coulomb, and then it gets multiplied with the area. So area is expressed in meter square, and that is how the unit comes to Newton meter square coulomb inverse, right? Okay. What happens if we have a large area? Okay, हमारे पास कुछ small area नहीं है, then what we should do? So I will divide the large area into small area elements, and then after I will calculate the flux for each and every small area elements, and then after I will add them all. So total flux phi can be given as summation of the flux of each and every area element, and this will be my equation. Okay, thank you.